CAG report to be tabled in the first Delhi Assembly session. The key highlight of the three-day Assembly session will be tabling of the 14 pending reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General allegedly withheld by the previous Aam Aadmi Party government on February 25th. The CAG report intensifies scrutiny on ex-Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, highlighting potential financial irregularities during the Aam Aadmi Party's tenure. Amidst the scrutiny, Atishi has written a letter to Delhi Chief Minister urging the implementation of BJP's promise to provide 2,500 rupees monthly to all Delhi women, claiming that many women feel cheated by the unfulfilled pledge. Meanwhile, Delhi's newly elected Chief Minister Rekha Gupta will chair a key BJP meet today where Delhi BJP chief and the entire Delhi cabinet will be in attendance.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी संकल्प के साथ उतरी है और अपने संकल्प को पूरा करेगी, क्योंकि इनको मालूम है आम आदमी पार्टी को कि भाजपा अपने संकल्प को पूरा करेगी। ये सरकार अपने संकल्प को, वायदे को निभाएगी। तो बौखलाहट में ये सब बातें कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इतना जरूर है कि जो काला चिट्ठा इस सरकार के भ्रष्टाचार का खुला, जिसके कारण ये सत्ता से हटे, ये अब लोगों से अपना ध्यान हटाने के लिए अनर्गल प्रचार कर रहे हैं।
आतिशी को रेखा जी की तरफ, मुख्यमंत्री की तरफ इशारा करने के बदले अपना पंजाब संभालना चाहिए। 1074 दिन हो गए पंजाब के अंदर जब वादा कर आए थे कि हम लोग 1000 रुपया प्रति बहन या प्रति महिला देंगे, और आज तक एक पैसा नहीं दिया। हमें अपने वादे की चिंता है और सुनिश्चित वादा समय अनुसार पूरा किया जाएगा।
हमने तो बार बार कहा कि सीएजी की सारी रिपोर्ट्स टेबल होनी चाहिए, और इसमें क्यों नहीं किया अरविंद केजरीवाल, ये सीधी बात है। खुद सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि इसमें भ्रष्टाचार दिखता है, तभी आप नहीं करते हो। लेकिन मैं ये चाहूंगा कि एक प्रक्रिया ये होती है कि जब सीएजी की रिपोर्ट असेंबली में आती है तो जो पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी है वो उसको देखती है पहले। ये नहीं है कि कोई सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आने से कोई एफआईआर हो जाता है। और मैं ये आशा करूंगा कि इसमें गंभीरता से ये पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी इन रिपोर्ट्स को देखेगी।
My colleague Ashutosh Mishra joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Ashutosh, the CAG report was contentious, basically was a key flashpoint between the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party during the polls, and now it's set to be tabled in the Delhi Assembly. What can we expect from the report?
Well, these reports, once it is tabled, as you rightly heard, Sandeep Deshit, as per the constitutional provisions, the Public Accounts Committee of the Delhi Assembly will scrutinize all these CAG reports. So, this will be possible only after the oath ceremony of these MLAs, and when the Speaker forms these committees, there will be joint committees, there will be public account committees, and of course, not only the BJP but also AAP MLAs will also be part of the Public Accounts Committee. So, once the committee scrutinize all these 14 details, only then there will be some recommendation as far as these 14 CAG reports are concerned. That's a quite long process, and BJP has been campaigning on these issues in the Delhi Assembly election campaign during that, and they have been promising they will table it. Whereas AAP has not really much responded on these CAG reports. Rather, they said that the first promise that the BJP, including Prime Minister Modi and BJP President JP Nadda made, that the first cabinet itself will take a call and decide providing 2,500 rupees to the women as they promised. And 8th of March, that will be credited in the women's account in Delhi. So AAP is keeping a very close tie and perhaps giving them also some time that after these issues, probably they will find this issue to corner the BJP-led new government of Delhi, whereas the BJP will, of course, take on the AAP as far as on these 14 CAG reports are concerned.
Absolutely, Ashutosh. Thanks for bringing us those details on that story. The CAG report intensifies scrutiny basically on the ex-Chief Minister Delhi CM, ex-Chief Minister Kejriwal.